We learned of hydrogen as the first element in the periodic table in our lesson on the periodic table. Also, we saw that although hydrogen is a non-metal, it is placed above the alkali metals in group 1 of the periodic table. In this lesson, we will discuss the occurrence of hydrogen and the reason for its unique position on the periodic table. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, followed by helium. This is not to be confused with oxygen, which is the most abundant element on Earth. Hydrogen constitutes about 75% of the universe and is also the lightest known element. Symbolically, it is represented with the letter H, which is the first letter of its name. As shown in the periodic table displayed here, hydrogen has an atomic number of 1 and a relative atomic mass of 1.008. Hydrogen is mostly found in its combined form in water and in organic compounds such as proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. It also constitutes about 10% of the human body. Hydrogen can also be found as a free diatomic gaseous molecule, which is represented as H2. It can as well be found in inorganic compounds such as acids and alkalis. In fact, as explained in a lesson on acids, it plays an important role in the chemical properties of acids. Now let's discuss the position of hydrogen in the periodic table. As said earlier, it is placed above the alkali metals in group 1 of the periodic table, even though it is not a metal. This is because hydrogen and the alkali metals have the same number of valence electrons in their outermost shell. For instance, hydrogen and lithium, both in group 1, have 1 electron in their outermost shell. Although hydrogen has the same number of valence electrons with the alkali metals, it has some properties which differ from those of these metals. For example, hydrogen has the ability to accept an electron like the halogens to attain a duplet state. For this reason, hydrogen is sometimes placed between groups 1 and 7 in the periodic table. Let's do a summary of what we have discussed so far. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. It exists as a diatomic gas molecule and in combined state in some organic and inorganic compounds. For convenience, hydrogen is placed in group 1 of the periodic table because it has 1 valence electron. This is all we have for this introduction to hydrogen. I would love to see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.